Okay, got it?
Sure.
All right, starting after the 8 beat, guys with the left, ladies with the right, for 2 times slow, quickly. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow. Side together, 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 backward. For the guys, forward. For the ladies, one more time. Ladies, turn on slow. And 3 steps just forward. Now the crossbody lift. Quick, quick, slow. And quick crossover breaks. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. And quick, quick underarm turn. Quick, quick, 5th position break. Going to another 5th position with change hold. Change the hold, continue slow, quick, quick, one more walk, quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, slow, and quick, quick, lady. One more step, quick, quick, small step for the guys here, open break, quick, quick, slow, 2-hand hold, outside partner, quick, quick, slow, look at each other, good, then quick, quick, both turn, quick, quick, guys holding the left hand, putting it on the waist, quick, quick, slow, 3 times slow for the ladies, quick, quick, lady, don't pass, the guy right side, going to a beautiful dip, and then going here, and